Hello, Kalos.
Our names are Josh and Dimarya Martin, if we haven't had the opportunity to meet. And it's our honor to be able to share with you some gratitude that we have for Kalos this afternoon. Personally, since I first interacted with Kalos at the Not Married small group led by Nathan and Yuna, during the height of COVID, I'm happy to report that I've since disqualified myself from that group. And I did so by agreeing to clean the men's bathroom back that hallway with this woman here who I think at the time had a really bad impression of me. Later confirmed. But Dimarya is not the only family that I've gained in my time here. As I look around this room, I see so many people and stories with whom I've shared such a deep connection and memories I'll cherish forever. From being in department head meetings to planning weddings together and, just looking around this room, there's just people, fantasy football, like things that spark memories in my mind that I'll carry with me. So, as some of you have heard, home has remained an open definition for me at times, and I'm just so thankful for the opportunity to be here in this time and have a true home.
I'm really thankful for Kalos because, as Josh said, without being put in a group together, I would not be married because we claimed the stall together. So I found my spouse here by serving. So if you're also looking for someone, I encourage you to also serve, specifically on the kids team. Truly, though, serving made me sacrifice when I needed it. When it was a tough week, waking up early on a Sunday morning and having to be extremely social was the last thing I wanted to do. It was good for me to give all my anxieties and stress to God and truly allow for the Holy Spirit come moments. Working with kids and their sweet chaos while still maintaining a safe environment, I promise, gave me purpose. Amy, thank you so much for truly seeing me and trusting me in my leadership abilities. And I have grown so much in my faith and relationships while serving and attending this church, and I hope the same for you all as well. I encourage the vulnerability and sacrifice while serving at Kalos, again, specifically on the kids team.
As a couple, we've thoroughly enjoyed leading small groups. Shout out KFFC. And having so many dinners and game nights and authentic conversations with so many of you. Indeed, when we consider what we're most proud of in our lives, Kalos is definitely one of those things. Finally, we're excited to share that we are headed to Thailand in a few weeks. Dimarya is accepting a role teaching upper elementary science at an American school in Bangkok for 2 years, and we're so excited for the adventure. However, we're also very excited to have a home to truly return to when we come back. Thank you for everything, Kalos.
Oh, can we give it up again for Dimarya and Josh? Oh, they're awesome. They have truly been such a blessing to Kalos Church.